Access your free language gifts right now before they expire. Here's what you're getting this month. First, the Ultimate Guide to Learning and Mastering Language PDF ebook. Discover the strategies and secrets to learning language fast. Second, At the Airport PDF cheat sheet. Learn how to check in, get around the airport, and find your departure gate with this printable language cheat sheet for beginners. Third, the top 13 tested ways to improve your pronunciation. This exclusive lesson reveals all the ways you can start speaking like a native. Fourth, are you ready for the end of the world? You will be when you learn to talk about natural disasters with this 1-minute vocab lesson. Fifth, want to learn language on your smartphone with hundreds of audio and video lessons by real teachers? Then download the Innovative Language 101 app for the iPhone, iPad, and Android. They're yours to keep forever. And finally, the deal of the month. If you want to finally master the language with lessons by real teachers and our complete language learning program, then take the challenge. Get up to 45% off 6-month Premium or Premium Plus with the 6-month challenge. To get your gifts and language learning resources, click the link in the lesson description below. Download them right now before they expire.